Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, as you can see by the title above, it is a Michaels and dollar store haul. I picked up a few things and I figured why not share them with you guys. You know, I love to enable you guys to go run to your stores and pick up all the goods. So you guys, if the lighting is a little bit off, it is 7:30 at night and the sun is coming down. So I'm sorry. I think you can still see things pretty good. So hopefully it's not that bad. So the first thing I picked up is from Michaels and it's from the backyard table line, and it's these super cute little butterflies. And you guys, they clearance out this whole line. These were like $3, regular price $9.99, which is a great steal. I love them. I would not pay that price, but $3, yes. And I would have gotten more, but they only had one pack left. So I picked up these as well, which are the paper flowers. Super cute. They only had one of these as well, so I got both of those. From that same line, I picked up these paper flowers, and these were originally $4.99 and they were clearance down to $1.50. So I got these super cute white ones. And then I got these, which look like the butterflies, but just like a smaller version. I think they're actually the butterflies, but smaller. And then I got these purple and white ones. And you get 60 pieces, which is not bad. And then I got these cute butterflies. These are super cute. And I think these will go so well with like the Flourish collection from Maggie Holmes. Just the colors remind me of that collection. And then I picked up these stickers from the Cheeky Modern Pop collection. These were also on sale for $1.50. I thought they were super cute. I only picked up one pack of those. Also from the Cheeky Modern Pop collection, I picked up some note cards. I got this one that says, "You are my perfect mix." And then I got these that says, "You are freaking majestic." And I got some of these in Happy Mail, so when I saw them I was happy to pick them up because I just love me some note cards. I also got these that say "Float On," and these were also $1.50. And then you guys, the Coastal Village line was ridiculously like marked down. This was only 60 cents and it's like a little note card set. They're like little note cards, and these are good to make like shakers. And you guys, for 60 cents, yes please. I'm shocked I didn't buy more than one. I don't love the design, that's why I think I didn't pick up more than one, but one was enough to have. Also from that Coastal Village, I got these note cards that say "Stop and smell the lemons." I also picked up these little puffy stickers. You get 168 pieces. And everything from the Coastal Village was 60 cents. And then I got another pack of the postcards that looks like this and like the other ones. I don't love it, but for 60 cents, it could be sent as a gift in Happy Mail, so you can't go wrong with that. And then from the backyard table collection, I picked up these cards and envelopes, and you get 30 sets, you guys. And they're like plain, so you can totally embellish these, like alter them for your, you guys know I love making me some handmade cards. So this is what the cards look like, and you can like totally decorate it yourself, you know, do your own little thing with it. They're all plain and I love that. So I picked up one pack of those, and you get 30 sets, and this was $1.50. Like, what? That's a steal, you guys. Another thing that was clearanced out, which I've been seeing tons of people haul, are the washis by Recollections that look like this. These are also clearance down to $1.50. So I got this one with the cute little flamingo, pineapple, the little toucan. I got that one. Then I also picked up these little thin washies. Super cute. You get what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 little rolls, which is not bad for $1.50. I picked up the super cute swan. And I saw, I think Karamia's Corner, she also showed this in one of her videos. You guys, for $1.50, regular price $5. Yes, I will. Oh, I picked up another note card one. This one I actually like. This one is from the Backyard collection, and I like this one. This one is something that I would use, make a shaker out of it. I'm not too pleased with the Coastal Village ones, but these are super cute. And this was $1.50 as well. And then back to washi. I got this super cute panda corn. It's a cute little panda with the little horn and the little hearts. And then I got the little tacos with the guacamole and the avocados. And these are just fun to have. I don't really use a lot of washi like I should because I have a whole bunch of it. But as little gifts in Happy Mail, they're perfect. I also picked up some gold foil paper from Michaels. I've been meaning to pick this up, but they never have it. Ooh, I hate that flashback. So you guys get the idea. And also picked up the mermaid washi. Super cute. I think that's the last washi. And I think that's the last thing of Michael's. Oh, and I also picked up this Craft Smart Puffy sticker. It's a little toucan. These are also 60 cents clearance out. And then I think now we could start with the dollar store stuff. So I went to my local dollar store. I've been seeing these hauled all over. So I'm glad I found some. I found the white with the pink. And these are foam flowers. And I also found the white with the purple. I found a few packs of stickers. I found these cute cardboard stickers. It's a cute little, I love that little, like the little minivan. Super cute. Then I found these that could be used on makeup bags, phone cases. Let me see. How fun are those, you guys? For $1. Also found these by Sticko. Love the unicorn. Then I found these scratch and sniff stickers, and they're little cupcakes. And you get 90 stickers. So you get like 2 sheets. Then I found these super cute gift bags, you guys. Look at this little gift bag that you can like add goodies for your pals in Happy Mail. It's like the mermaid fishtail. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Super cute, and it comes with the little twisties. Then I found these 2 super cute little My Little Pony keychains, also to add in Happy Mail. And they're like, I thought they were plastic, but they're not. They're like metal. So those were fun to find. And then you guys, I found these other keychains, which are adorable. I plan to do some mermaid mail, which I haven't, but I will in the future once I finish what I'm doing. And look, you guys, how adorable are these? I had to pick one up in the blue and in the pink. There was like 2 more colors, but I had to restrain myself. Like, you don't need all of them, Lily. Aren't they adorable? Look at those faces, you guys. Super cute. I also found this little puffy. Love the little ears. So cute. They had all colors in these too, and I just purchased one. Also found a bunch of pens, which I think I saw Crystal. I think her YouTube name is June Cry on here. Or like June and Crystal, I think it is. Because she's Junior's wifey on Instagram. But I think it was her. Was it her or was it... I'm not sure now who it was. If it was her or if it was another girl on Instagram. I know I saw one of you ladies post these little fun pens. And look, you guys, I found them. This one is the mermaid tail. I said the fish tail. It's not a fish tail. It's a mermaid tail. So that's what this one is. So I picked that one up. The unicorn. I got it in purple. The flamingo. Another unicorn. And then the white unicorn. These I think I got in all the colors. If I missed one, I think I wouldn't know which one it is, but I also picked up these cute little fluffies. You guys, how cute are these? Obsessed. I love them. Perfect for gifts. And then the last few things, let's see. I got were some unicorn napkins. How cute are these? And then I found a bunch of these little packs of like unicorn earrings, and I thought these would be fun to add as little gifts. So I got this pack, this pack, this one, and this one. And isn't that cute? Like you're just giving a gift. And then I found this bow, which I thought was super cute. I might use it like in some packaging. It's supposed to be like a choker, but I'm going to use it either as a gift or just cut the bow out and use it on some Happy Mail. And then, yeah, you guys, that's it. This is the last thing. Is another pack of these stickers, which are super fun to add to either as a gift, Happy Mail. But yeah, you guys, that's everything. Let me look around. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Nope, I think I got everything. That's everything I picked up. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You guys, check out my giveaway if you haven't. Enter if you haven't. And yeah, that's it. I never know how to, sometimes I forget how to end these videos, but you know what? Bye, guys.